Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're anything like me, your TikTok feed is probably filled with mouth-watering recipes that excite your taste buds. Today, we're diving into the world of viral food trends. We'll test some of TikTok's most popular recipes to see if they live up to the hype. Will they be a culinary dream come true or a total disaster? Let's find out. Cut to a graphic of the title, Food Wars. Trying viral TikTok recipes. With fun animations of food. Number 1. Introducing the recipes. Alright, friends, here's how today's going to work. I've picked 3 viral TikTok recipes that have taken the internet by storm. We'll make each one, taste them, and give you our honest opinion. Plus, I'll share some tips and tricks along the way to make sure you can recreate these at home. The recipes we're trying today are 1. Feta pasta, the creamy, cheesy dream everyone raves about. 2. Cloud bread, the fluffy, keto-friendly sensation that's got everyone floating on air. 3. Dalgona coffee, the whipped coffee that took social media by storm. Number 2. Feta pasta. First up, we have the infamous feta pasta. This dish went viral because it looks stunning and tastes even better. Here's what you'll need. A block of feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, pasta, your choice, fresh basil, salt and pepper. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a baking dish, combine your cherry tomatoes with a generous drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then, place the feta cheese right in the center. Drizzle a little more olive oil on top because let's be real, we can't get enough of that flavor. Now, we'll pop this in the oven for about 30 minutes until the tomatoes are roasted and the feta is beautifully melted. While that's baking, let's cook our pasta according to the package instructions. Ding! Time's up. Let's see how our feta pasta is doing. Look at that. It's bubbling and golden brown. Now, we'll mash the feta and tomatoes together to create a creamy sauce. Then, mix in the cooked pasta and fresh basil. Moment of truth. Let's see if this lives up to the hype. Oh wow, this is divine, so creamy, so flavorful. If you haven't tried this yet, you absolutely must. Number 3. Cloud bread. Okay, moving on to our second recipe, cloud bread. This one is super light and fluffy and perfect for those who are trying to cut down on carbs. Let's see if it's as easy as they say. You'll need 3 egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Start by whipping the egg whites and cream of tartar until stiff peaks form. This is the key to that cloud-like texture. It might take a few minutes, but it's so worth it. Once we have our peaks, gently fold in the sugar until it's well combined. Now, we'll spoon the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, shaping it into little clouds. This is going into the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, for about 25 minutes. Can you already imagine the fluffy goodness? Alright, they're ready? Let's take a look. They look amazing. Let's give them a taste. Wow. This is surprisingly light and airy. It's like eating a cloud. Perfect for sandwiches or just as a snack. A win. Number 4. Dalgona coffee. Last but not least, we have Dalgona coffee. This whipped coffee trend took over social media last year, and I think it's time we give it a go. You'll need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water, milk of your choice. Combine the instant coffee, sugar, and hot water in a bowl. Now, let's whip this until it's fluffy and frothy. You can use a hand whisk, an electric mixer, or even a frother if you have one. Once it's whipped to perfection, fill a glass with milk and spoon the coffee mixture on top. It's all about those layers. Let's see if it lives up to the buzz. Oh my goodness. This is delicious, creamy, and sweet, and that coffee flavor is just perfection. No wonder it went viral. So there you have it, folks. We tried out 3 viral TikTok recipes, and I have to say, they all lived up to the hype. Feta pasta is creamy and comforting, cloud bread is light and airy, and Dalgona coffee is a sweet treat you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun recipes. Let me know in the comments which viral recipe you'd like me to try next. Until next time, happy cooking and remember to keep experimenting in the kitchen. Bye, subscribe, and watch next.